Kwanzaa is an annual week-long holiday celebrating African American culture, history, and values. The holiday takes place from December 26th to January 1st and is primarily celebrated in the United States as well as in some other countries with large numbers of people of African descent. Kwanzaa was developed in 1966 by Maulana Karenga, an important figure in the Afrocentrism movement who drew from a variety of traditions to reaffirm African heritage. The holiday's name came from the Swahili phrase Matunda ya Kwanza, meaning first fruits, which refers to the variety of harvest festivals celebrated throughout Africa. Each of the 7 days of Kwanzaa is devoted to one of the holiday's 7 principles: unity, self-determination, collective responsibility, cooperative economics, purpose, creativity, and faith. Throughout the week, families come together to discuss the principle of the day and light the kinara, a candle holder with 7 candles of black, red, and green. The candles and the kinara are 2 of the 7 major symbols of Kwanzaa, along with a mat, gifts, corn, other crops, and the communal cup. On December 31st, families and friends join in a communal feast called the karamu, which is sometimes celebrated with traditional African clothing and cuisine. As a non-political and non-religious holiday, Kwanzaa is a way of celebrating African culture for all, regardless of background or affiliations.